In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion for budgeting and expense tracking. We'll start right on the Notion website. From the homepage, look for the Marketplace in the top navigation. This is where Notion collects ready-made pages that you can drop straight into your workspace, saving you the time of building from scratch. Once you're in the Marketplace, use the search bar and type Expense Tracker. You'll see a range of templates created by Notion and the community. Take a moment to open a few previews. You're looking for a layout that fits your style. A simple table, if you prefer minimalism, or a richer dashboard with charts and summaries if you want a bit more guidance. Check that the template includes key columns like date, description, category, and amount, and ideally a few helpful views such as monthly or by category. When you found one you like, click the template, then click Add and to bring it into your workspace. If you're prompted to choose a destination, pick the workspace or folder where you want it to live. In a moment, it will appear in your sidebar, ready to use. Now customize it so it reflects your budgeting approach. Give the page a clear name, like personal budget or household expenses. Set your currency in the amount property if the template supports it, and adjust categories to match your life. Things like rent, groceries, transport, utilities, subscriptions, and savings. Review the properties to ensure you have the fields you need: date, vendor or memo, payment method, and notes for context. Many templates include totals at the bottom of the amount column. If you don't see them, open the column menu and enable the sum so you can monitor your spending at a glance. Create views that make budgeting easier. A monthly view filtered to the current month helps you focus on what's happening now. A by category view, grouped by category, shows where your money is going and totals each group automatically. If the template includes recurring expenses, use that section to list bills you pay every month so they're easy to check off. Some templates also include budget targets and progress bars. Keep category names consistent so those calculations stay accurate. As you begin tracking, add each expense with a clear description and the right category. If the template includes income, log paychecks the same way so you can compare inflows and outflows. Avoid storing sensitive details like full card numbers. A short note is enough for context. That's it. Open Notion, head to the Marketplace, search Expense Tracker, choose a template, add it, and tailor it to your needs. With a few thoughtful tweaks, Notion becomes a simple, flexible home for your budgeting and expense tracking.